G.O.D.
You know what I'm saying? 2617 in the booth. Dorchester, what up? Boston, what up? We in the Green Monster, nigga, what's up? Yo, you can reach me at www.hornetcivilians.com. You know, follow my journey.
But it's hard to escape. Problems every day.
This joint right here is called A Lot of Problems.
Problems with my broad. Gotta get more pay. What more can I say, man?
It's been a lot of problems. Man, it's been a lot of problems. Sitting here just wondering at the bottom. How you be my top bitch today and end up at the bottom? Man, I'ma need a bottle. Get me some gas to flip. Top 10s is on the throttle. I'ma breeze on the model. Blow up my avocados. Get money how my squad do. In a big lane making small moves. Tactical in a small room with the package tool. Follow code, make some dough. Ballers gonna pick and roll. Man, how we know? In the lane where the drivers in the leading row. Rockers in the Austin make me bring a right award. I was trained and keep my team in one accord. If I'm not there to sign, just go ahead and forward. This that flow of steam. This that problems in my collard green supreme. Sending up a call that you always see from me. Fresh out the bean in the thresh. B to B. Roll my blood, stick it up. 1, 2, or 3. They keep fucking up while I sip on my team. While I keep coming up on that entire dream. And wave by your ass, blowing the leaf. Fucking up your dreams while I glide on this beat. Niggas already know I'm in the beam. Throwing threes originally from NC. Got a problem with me?
Been a lot of problems. But I'm still here. Still working hard to see what we got here.
I done got over a lot of those problems. You don't gotta worry.
You think it's easy, but it's hard to escape.
Thank you all for coming to show support.
Problems in
Thank
my
you.
face, problems with my bra.
What up, Shannon?
Get no pay.
DJ Hands, what's good? P.S. did it. Taco Tuesday, what up?
It's been a lot of problems.
So we gonna get it cooking. No show mix. You know I'm gonna try to hit y'all with the new show mix every show.
Like us on Instagram, on Facebook, follow us on SoundCloud and YouTube. Check them out.
That's
Follow
my
our
wife
story.
spit. My daughter, I heard my daughter real quick. She's like, what is it? You know what I'm saying? This one right here is called Just Dreaming. Remember dreaming.
How I'm making hits. It happened so swift, could've never think I pop so quick. Feeling hot with the faith as I see the heaven gates flood the floors with all real niggas. This for my real peoples and my real hitters. Gotta get to catch up to all of you pimpin'. Cause I done grown a long way. Take a break, little children. Get real's what I say to fake little niggas. Respect the code, expect the haters in your business. It's time you rock with Blizzard, you can lax and just kick it. Flexing with my niggas sticks, made $250,000 in the beam with some riders who don't care about the distance. Not slinging verse, but it's plastic on my chicken. The J switch the lanes, I'm tripping and I'm out. Got the 40 on the couch. If I light it, though it's loud. Insulated by the cloud, nobody even hears the sound. Because I'm peeping all your funny business. I keep it water rolling through cracks to find a quadrant. If I lose my mama, just know why I ain't singing shit. If I lose my daddy, man, a fire will be flaming quick. Staying quick, factual, actually straight picture. Speaking of these Newport slacking and slick niggas sitting there just drinking, tarnishing black images. Picture this sitting there. My brothers getting figures in, talking this real shit, you know. And what it really is, how niggas out here claiming that they really real. I really don't get plenty fish in the sea, but I'd rather fly in the land, paying jet fuel so I can see the weed. Man, I see we got ourselves a problem. You gotta be a hating ass bitch if you doubt me. Don't ever dream of making hits. It happened so swift, coulda never thought I'd pop so quick. Feeling pop with the faith when I see the heaven gates flood the floors with all real niggas. This for my real peoples and my real hitters. Gotta get to catch up to all of you pimpin'. Cause I done grown a long way. Take a break, little children. Get real is what I say to the fake little niggas. Respect the code, expect the haters in your business. It's time you rock with Blizzard. You can relax and just kick it though. Now. show love. Hey yo, wake up, there's someone at your door. It's talking about the future and you want a little more. Instead of walking with your one lady, you wind up in a horse. I ain't talking about the ones that really hit me up the score. I'm talking about the fools, but not for his enjoyment. I won't even touch it loud if it don't smell potent. If it's valuable criticism, my nigga, you should hold it. I'm finally invested in some shit I can't hold in. My dear Tia, hold me down. 100 million miles, you be catching smiles every time you come around. Listen to the sound, ain't weed all in my brownies. 100 bar bottle, come on, I done drowned it. No, we done stay drip, so low promo, no gelling. I done kicked my programming. I spin the corner, catch your ass just like Ellen. Thieving ass rappers, it's my attitude and selling. Either shower me from heaven, $2.5 million for nothing. Stepped in straight classes, military about making hits. Having so swift, could've never thought I'd pop so quick. Feeling pop with the faith as I see the heaven gates flood the floors with all real niggas. This for my real peoples and my real hitters. Gotta get to catch up to all of you pimpin', cause I done gone a long way. Take a break, little children. Get real is what I say to fake little niggas. Respect the code, expect the haters in your business. It's time you rock with Blizzard, you can relax and just kick it though. No. Blizzard. Thank y'all for listening. I see y'all eyes over here. Word. I see y'all.
Did it, and yes, we in here.
Y'all very much. Very happy to be here. If it's your business, it's my pleasure. Crank that. That's two better. Bro, the call them do better. Can't pump me up. They count letters eight. Going to court, it's no battle, so I'ma teach this guy to fight when we get up. Pussy niggas ride to get wet up. Keep the game, gotta keep your head up. Rather push your things before they get your head up. Not care what you singing, how to even pump pedals. I gotta break bread, at times I gotta light candles. I brought the deed and smoked the cheaper for the latitude. How are you? Attitude, look at you, attitude. Got the block on the dot, hit the school, hottest school, we kinda rule. So what you wanna get with? Cause my boy said he got the loudy pack that he facing. Young man said he growing bombs in the basement. I don't care, something wrong with you saying. Out on the front wall with the cases. Artifacts with the bomb to the faces. I don't think it's nothing wrong with the basis. Everybody losing homes over basis. When that bad boy snap, I done brought Black Planet and Adidas back. I done came with the peace, I'ma bring it back. All my rap niggas in here agree to that. Bad bitch in my dreams with the green and black. They done brought me to they see the guy. Hot damn killer. Let me tell you when I'm nice on the beat though. This phone's thinking right like that rice and the beans though. For the greens, would you please stop for the green though? That's a question you ain't gotta answer, but we know. I exchange get this come out with the weed though. The meter quarter mil while I was working for Steve, bro. Thought that you was hauling when you bounced on your feet though. I've been out here with a branch in a tree, bro. Gotta understand, I've been homeless with these hoes. Shit has spent my dollars on killing these street flows. Need some new bitches gonna clean up these street floors. But these crazy bitches is out on the detour. I ain't done for that ass. I'm trying to be on one more in this. Okay. Who else did it? I'll come and announce you. If I ain't with it, I'm nowhere around you. Stuck in the hood and I'm trying to get out, dude. I'm from the beat, but I seem to come out good. Stretch dudes, blessed fool, known as a scoundrel. Make moves, ass moves, sort of the tattoo. They don't not the same, but I come with a special. If he's your main, just call me the step two. Step two, old crew, as I was slapped to. In it for the fame, same time in this black move. GLC, get money, get with a seat, though. In the SUV, in the color screen, though. They ask about the figures, well, who the fuck he knows? If the jig is out, doesn't matter where he goes. Make it better, we team up. Lit up my team up. Amy the bean up, my three show. When they ask you who the illest, so they ask you about your feelings. And regardless of the killers, I'ma double up. The charges taken, the tips is waiting. I'm not impatient, but I'm barely aching. Screwy faces just in my deep quick. But love the basic, goes and love this thing, trip the flow. Get it low. Plant it on the floor, egg, play it on the clothes. With the rider bitches, that love give it, made it down. She love the riches, I don't scare about the flow. Please make way, still spit spraying on the flow. I make dough, count straight O. And I say I ain't chicken, but I use 8 codes. Then a cake flipping bomb powder like ghosts. Make that loud cat go for the micro. Never cross a chair, Mike Tyson left blow. If ever use a crank, God only Mike knows. Got rules that I'm gonna pop you like floors. Scream for your life, bloody streams or applause. No, I'm ready to go. I go hard, I'm cleaning up the blacks. Fantastic flow for show. Grab the mic, that's my toast with the light. See me in my face, pushing every in my life. Working for the day, pocket pussy for the night.
Gotta let niggas know real quick. My flow is old school, new school. And I'ma be putting you in school every Tuesday.
Blizzard 617.
You gon' learn me today.
Take 1, 2.
Thank you, Sham.